In 2008, China faced a devastating food safety crisis that shook the nation and the world. It involved a common ingredient found in many kitchens: milk. This wasn't a simple case of spoiled milk, however. This milk, and infant formula made with it, was intentionally laced with a toxic chemical called melamine. The discovery of melamine in these dairy products sent shockwaves through Chinese society. Parents were gripped with fear, unsure if the milk they were feeding their children was safe. The scandal quickly became a major public health emergency. Hospitals were flooded with sick children, overwhelming the healthcare system. The crisis exposed serious flaws in China's food safety regulations and raised alarming questions about corporate greed and the value placed on human life. Melamine is an industrial chemical, not a food product. It is used in making plastics, fertilizers, and other products. So, why was it added to milk? The answer is simple yet disturbing: to cheat on quality tests. Milk contains protein, and protein levels in milk are measured to determine its quality and nutritional value. Unscrupulous individuals discovered that adding melamine to milk could artificially inflate protein readings. This deception allowed them to sell adulterated milk at a higher price, reaping illicit profits. The consequences of this deceitful act were catastrophic, particularly for infants. Babies who rely heavily on milk for their growth and development were exposed to this toxic chemical, leading to severe health problems. The 2008 milk scandal was not simply the act of a few bad actors. It exposed deeper systemic issues, particularly the relentless pressure to maximize profits at any cost. China's dairy industry was undergoing rapid growth, with increasing demand for milk and milk products. This demand created an environment where corners were cut and safety standards were compromised in the pursuit of profit. The melamine scandal highlighted the dangerous disconnect between economic incentives and ethical practices. The scandal led to widespread outrage and a loss of trust in Chinese-made products, both domestically and internationally. It forced a national reckoning, demanding accountability and reform within the dairy industry. The health consequences of the melamine-tainted milk were devastating. Melamine, when ingested, can cause serious kidney problems. In infants, it led to a condition called kidney stones, which can be extremely painful and even life-threatening. Tragically, the scandal resulted in the deaths of at least 6 infants, and thousands more suffered kidney damage. The long-term health effects on these children are still being studied. The 2008 milk scandal serves as a stark reminder of the importance of food safety and the need for strong regulations and ethical practices within the food industry.